We are Onyx Imaging. We are the highest rated and most reviewed printer service center in Oklahoma.
Hi, my name is John with Onyx Imaging. Today we're going to take a look at this Brother MFC L9550 printer. We're going to show you how to replace your toner cartridge. So if you've been getting a low toner or replace toner warning, we're going to show you how to get that taken care of. It's a very simple process. First thing you want to do is look at your display screen, look at that warning, and find out which color toner needs to be replaced. And if you have multiple colors, or you want to make sure you don't have multiple colors that need to be replaced, an easy way to check is you look at the top right hand corner of your control panel here. The button that's right in the middle is going to look like four little status bars. You're going to click on that little button, and that's going to bring up this little settings screen. And the very top option is toner life. I'm going to click that toner life option, and that's going to bring up four status bars that shows you the status of all four of your color toners inside your printer. So this will give you a good visual representation of what's inside your printer. That way you can figure out which toner cartridges need to be replaced. Once you know which ones need to be replaced, the next thing you need to do is we need to lower this front cover. So you're going to push on this big button right here at the top of the printer here, and then pull straight back until this front cover is in its down locked position. So once you have that open, we're going to grab this number 1 handle, and we're going to pull straight out, and here's all four of your toner cartridges. So in our case, it's the magenta that needs to be replaced. So I'm going to find the magenta cartridge. I'm going to take it, grab the handle here and push up. You'll feel the cartridge click. Once you feel it click, then you're going to pull straight up and remove your toner cartridge. You can set that off to the side. Get your new one, unpack it, double check, make sure that there's no packing material anywhere on the new cartridge. And again, holding it by the handle, you're going to carefully lower it into the slot. Grab it by the handle and you're going to pull back until you feel it click into its locked position. You're going to do that with any and all toner cartridges that need to be replaced. Once you have that done, again grabbing the number 1 handle at the very front, you're going to push this all the way back in until you feel it clicked into its locked position. Then you're going to go ahead and close this front cover, making sure it closes all the way. Now we'll give the printer a minute to initialize and prepare that toner cartridge for use, and then you're good to go and back up and printing. If you have any questions or concerns, please feel free to reach out to Onyx. We'd love to help answer this for you. Also, if there's any way we can help provide you with any of your printer or office supply needs, please feel free to reach out to Onyx. We'd love to help provide this for you as well. We hope you have a great day and you're back up and printing. Thank you.
Thank you for watching. If you're interested in how you can receive free labor on all of your service calls, as well as how to qualify for free printer upgrades, contact us today. We are here for all of your printer and office supply needs.